I've never been shiny.
Yeah, like so shiny. And like a fluffy something.
Yeah, something like that.
Hey guys,
Hi.
it's me, Sarah, and my friend.
It's okay. If my friend Moana.
Nope, that's Mateo.
No, I'm Moana.
And today we're doing a squishy collection video. So yeah, let's get started. Yes, you are weird. Okay, the first thing I have is a Jumbo Admiral Beach.
It looks like a bed.
Why you gotta go and ruin my video, huh?
I don't know. Yeah.
She doesn't know much about squishies.
No, I like which sounded like very dirty.
What's wrong with you, man?
That's pretty sweet.
Okay. Anyway, I'm covering you up because you're not in this video.
What?
What? I have the Jumbo Admiral Peak, Pearl, Pink. I don't know, but it smells really, really good. It's super duper slimy. And what's wrong with you? Okay, so I have the licensing. I don't want to stay on this squishy too long, even though I have already. Licensing is right there, and yeah, here's the top. It's affected. That's okay. Next squishy I have is the green tea frog bun. Here's the packaging.
That's not your friend.
I'm your friend,
I get it.
or am I not?
You are my friend.
Then why are you spending the night and you said you don't have any friends?
You're
Well-
my only friend that gets me.
Okay, well,
You're understanding.
what about Cameron?
Oh yeah, Cameron understands. But you mostly understand.
Okay. Well, I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. Well, here it is. It's it doesn't really smell like green tea, but it's really cute. I love frogs. I love frogs.
I like
So
frogs.
here's the back. It's really, really textured and cool. It comes with this acrylic tag and okay. Comes with this desk plug and licensing is right there. It's from Poonie Maroon. It's pretty. Next squishy I had to pack it.
You know what my mom calls Moana?
What?
She calls her Moani.
What does that mean?
I don't know. She just calls her Moani. I was like, Mom, her name's Moana, not Moani.
Okay, so I got this Stitch bread mascot bun. Well, bread mascot, yeah. It's really cute. Stitch is my favorite character
That's my favorite character too.
from Lilo and Stitch. Lilo and Stitch is my favorite movie.
I thought Moana was. Like, Moana's like my second favorite movie, but Lilo.
Well, I don't have a favorite movie. I like all movies that I like.
Lilo and Stitch will be like my first favorite movie, because nothing else.
Okay, so it comes with this golden ball chain, and here's the licensing on the back. And it's very textured, and the colors are very accurate.
Wait, I gotta ask
It's
the
really
camera
cool.
something.
What?
If you think I'm annoying, comment down.
If you think she's annoying, comment.
God, I am very annoying.
Yes.
What the? Not to be annoying.
Well, okay, so next squishy I have is this. Oh, it smells like so good. I have this jumbo strawberry cake or vanilla strawberry. Strawberry. Wait.
My name is no.
So, what are you doing?
I don't know. I'm going back now. Coffee.
Why?
You're such a weirdo. I know. Wait, I thought this was something other than
I'm not no weirdo.
not you. Kathy.
Don't talk about her.
Am I the bad guy? What the other? Yeah, I guess you can both. I agree with you on both. That's awesome.
Okay, so the next one I have is this jumbo strawberry cake by Keeper. Jumbo Keeper. Jumbo strawberry Keeper cake. Here's the packaging. It's Key Brew.
Oh, this is the key bird.
What the heck is a Keybert?
I don't know. Some kind of model.
Keybert is some kind of model.
You don't know anymore.
Here's the model. Oh, she's so amazing. Oh,
She was
Just
the
look
Grammy
at
for
her.
Best Looking
just look at her. She's so amazing.
She won the Grammy. She won her opinion a lot.
Okay, so here it is.
One time,
It's really, really, really cute.
I ran into a wall.
And it smells really good. It has the strawberry and
I have something to tell you.
these parts are very smooth, and on the inside of it, it's vanilla, and it's really textured, and it's really, and the squishy, really, really squishy. So,
I'm so good.
I do. Next, I have this, Rokuma cake? No, bread loaf. Bread loaf.
Bread.
Rokuma
You have a bread.
bread loaf.
You have a loaf. Oh, bread loaf.
It's really, really, really big. It's about
That's
the
all.
as big as my hand, and it doesn't really smell, but yeah, so with it, and it's not the real one, by the way.
I've got a snake.
Don't be weird.
Hi, camera.
Show them the squishy while they're at it.
You scared me. Okay. I don't know what this squishy is, but it's a burger squishy. I know that. I don't know what it's called, but you could tell me what this is. I don't know. I'll scream. I'll scream outside like a maniac if you tell me what this is. It's really squishy. Whatnot. I don't know. The next squishy we have is this Taffy popsicle, which I think I bit off with this. I'm just kidding. But anyway, it's squishy, and like I like this part of it, and it's just squishy. Okay. By the way, I don't know what this is called.
I can't wait to play this back and see what you did.
And I don't know. I was just talking to the camera.
Well, I don't know what she showed you so far, but
Yeah, I told her.
I'll just start with.
I told her I'll scream like.
Okay, so I'll just start with this hammy hamster and a donut by Hammy and Sweet by Breakfast, because I really don't know, because I guess it's by the Sweet Life, but it says at Hammy. So it might be a collab, I don't know. But tell me in the comments. It's really, really cute. No! I got, okay, so here it is. It's not the squishiest thing, but it's really, really cute. I mean, it looks like a real hamster, but it's actually a squishy, and that is very surprising. Okay, so yeah.
That's what it was called.
And-
Hamburger squishy.
No! I don't know what you did. Did you put a whole bunch of things? Okay, so I got the strawberry donut with it has sprinkles. And here's the back. There's a booty. And what? I don't understand you. Period.
I know.
Sometimes I wonder what goes inside of that big brain of yours. No, that small brain of yours.
What the? I passed 5th grade. 5th grade going to middle school. Fun. I'm pretty smart for my age. I don't know what goes on in my brain. I don't know. Swear, this is what goes on in my brain. Unicorn, other stuff.
Well,
That you don't want to.
here's something.
You don't want
Okay, so here's the tag. It says if you are the one that says is candy on it. And has a little button. Yes, this is very cute. Okay, so we have a few more, but I'll show this one. It's my bread.
But you got
bread.
something else to talk about.
But it kind of looks like potato, so I call it a potato. I don't know.
Potato.
I don't know if it's bread or a potato. It came like this, so.
Call potato potato.
Bread tato, bread tato.
Yeah, potato potato.
It's a bread tato.
Potato.
It's really, really squishy. To be honest, this is one of my favorite squishies because it's a mystery of what it is, and that just makes me like it. But okay, so next I have this bread squishy.
She loves me. Deep down inside, she loves me.
It's really cute. Yeah. Okay. I have another bread squishy. It's a deco squishy. I'm embarrassed to show it, but here it is.
Aww. It's cute. It's not bad.
And it's pretty squishy because it was like that when I got it, but I still kind of like the way how I put on the sprinkles on it, or whatever they are, the dots.
I really don't know what's wrong.
It's just a little bread that's has a white thing with, and it says hi in the middle. And I did the sprinkles by putting them on a plastic bag, and then what I did was I let them dry overnight, and I filled them up, stuck them all white paint, and as you can see, they're not enough, so yeah. We'll have a few more guys. I'll show these two though. Right. Okay, so I am just gonna show this one first. I got this green. Wait. Okay, I got these two. And I'll show the hamburger. Well, I got. Okay, and then I'm not gonna show the hamburger. So I got these two tofus. I have a yellow one and a green one. I like the green one more because green is my favorite color and it's really squishy. Stop poking me. Where are you going?
Bathroom.
Jeez. Okay, so you could have at least closed the door, jeez. Okay, so it's this yellow tofu. It's really cute. It's not too squishy, I guess. But as you can see here, it has something in the head. And I want to take it out because I don't know it. Okay, so last very squishies I have is this popsicle with sprinkles. I don't really like. Is it a popsicle? I don't know. It's some sort of thing on a stick that's blue with sprinkles. It looks like a popsicle, but it has sprinkles on it, and someone took a bite out of it. It could be an ice cream bar, but ice cream bars are blue. I don't know. Okay, sorry about that. Okay. The last two I have here is this little bread, turtle bread. The head actually came almost off. It was really close to coming off, so I glued it back. Super cute. And the last squishy I have is this little baby Tama. So thank you guys for watching. I want you to like and subscribe to my channel. Sorry this video was so long. Yeah, bye. Ooh, let's do that outro again. Bye.